my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time. It's early in the morning in Africa, guys. And today, guys, I tell God thanks. You know, guys, the God is the one who know everything. God is the one who know everything, and the God is the know. You know you can put God first. Everything it can happening, guys. You know, yeah, God first. Yeah, guys, you are watching this video from Vin Marwa here. Today, guys, we are working at Baari'S. You know, this is the house bar stay, but right now you want to changing to go to the another house. And here it is Okwemba. Right now you are mixing the sun, working to cross this place. You can see he's putting some bricks. You want to finish this place. To finishing this place, and right now, guys, the work for today, you want to making the plaster from in and out. Right now, guys, you are see here, yeah, this is the done, and right now you are seeing, yeah, everything is ready. And you are see here the 4 bags of cement. You want to working to mixing and starting to making the plaster here, guys. That is the work for today. This is bedroom, and today, guys, the work is everything, yeah. And right now you are see there's a mason working here to making to cross that place. You can see there's a space here. They are supporting to cross. You know, guys, you cannot cross this place. There's one who passing here and coming in. Very risky, guys. It's very tricky. Right now you are see, yeah. And you can see my friend coming with bricks here. You want to working here to crossing, guys. How are you, my friend?
I'm good.
Uh-huh.
Yes, it is work.
Work is everything, guys.
Yes. So we are bringing in the bricks
Uh-huh.
to have the mason to finish his work.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Yeah, that is good. That is the work for today.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, they are here and they waiting the mason for plastering. And today, guys, want to working for plastering. Yeah. Yes, guys, you know God is the one who know everything. And right now you are seeing. And right now you are see here, guys. Tell me to the comment section about this one and about this one. Yes, guys. Yeah, right now you are see very looking fantastic. Yeah, you know Daniel is the one who managing this project. Right now you are see and is very on. And you are see there's a mason. Yeah. Yes, guys, you can see another side. Daniel Construction, guys. You can see down there, Daniel Construction. Hey, there's a big stamp here. You can see there's a big stamp here. You know, this one you can use a charcoal. It's very smart and they can do it good. Right now you will see 1, 2. You can use a charcoals. And there's a purple is here. Hey, guys. And it's very putting some very big right now you will see. Hey, it's very big. You know, guys, this one. One you go in a town and you want to buy this one. One is 100 Kenyan shillings because you know depending the size, and that's why you can see it's very big. Yes, guys. Yeah, guys. With water. Right now you want to starting to mixing the sand with cement and want to working for plastering. And right now, guys, you are see there's a tuk-tuk, guys. Ito rin ito. Oh yeah. Amor, negócio. Yürüyelim hadi.
Si itakusukuma nilete tofali. Ama uko sawa? Sawa. Mnaileta hapa kwa kona.
Ona, tuombe yule mama kwa jagi atuwekee pale ya kuchotea maji.
Ameniambia nimshike. Sina kamera mimi. Ni ya uzi. Sasa utakulipa sawa. Kama nitaingia kazi, ameniambia. Huyo mwenye anakoroga pale.
Yes, guys, you can see the mason want to finishing to building the with bricks, and right now you see you want to close that side, and right now guys are here. You want to starting to mixing here to mixing, yeah, because this is the work for today, guys. You are working here, and you can see here, guys, and you can see there's a people serve the mason to give a sun to give and they start building, and you can see there's a water here. They are putting some water here, guys. I want to main water here, guys, like this one you are see. See, guys, they want some main water here. Want to mix at once. Want to mix in this one at once. Yeah.
We realize to come back, I'll be back. Somewhere. I don't think I'm going to. No, my schedule is fixed. Like, I just out. After, let me tell you something. Things like vacation whatever, it's good to do them once you are free. Yeah. Because you're going to relax. You can't say that I'm going there and I have a lot of things that are being done. No, it needs to be one thing you're going there to do and relax. Be stressed. And that is what me and my so, even malizeni kwanza. Hii anakuambia kama ni kwa watu wengine niuze unaona kwenye ataishia anaanza plus hivi za polisi sasa kianza kuoda sasa kwa kiasi wewe anza na yenyewe ukijipana banki kwa nini itakulipa kuna hadi hizo ile pesa tumika Hola, mister.
You have to build very highly because you know there's a mason. Now we're going to succeeding the mason in border town. And right now it's coming later, and right now you will see the work is going good. Guys, you know today you want to finishing here out. I don't going out because you want to finishing here in because there's one 1, 2, 3, 4 masons. 4 masons. Yeah. Guys, you see, work is on. Yes, guys, this is bad house, and right now you want to change from here to be here. Right now, guys, we are see. God is everything, guys. God is the one who know changing your life. You know, you can pray God, and the God, you can do anything, you can do it for you. And right now, guys, you are see here. Yeah, they think there is a meter box and the wiring. I see there's a pipe here. You want to making a wiring, guys. That is very fantastic, guys. Imagine, guys, imagine from this side, and that the life is changing to go to a new house, guys. And right now you are see, and you see this one, guys. Yes, now you are see. This is the bar house, and right now you are seeing here they are spinning here, and the body they are cook, they are sleeping here, guys. And right now you are see. Hmm? And the God is the one who know. And right now you are seeing the life is very changing. Yeah, the life is very changing. Right now, Barry want to be going here, the new house. Yes, guys. What do you think about this one? From this one? From this one to the another house. New house, guys. And I see this fisher board is very looking good. Is very looking good. You know, guys, Omobi is the one who making the roofing for this housing. And they're doing the fisher board. And is the one top engineer, guys. You know, Moba is the engineer. He go in border and taking some masons, and they're coming here to working for plastering. And right now, guys, you are see. You know me, the handman. I'm the handman. And right now, guys, work is everything. You know, you are work. You are getting some money. Yes, guys, I want to try to know about this one because you know, guys, the handman is very so hard, guys.
Yaani ukikata hiyo kopa usikosipate hiyo flame. Yaani ukikata wangu kwa mkono hapo pia jamani. Sasa nitumie huu. Yes. Mama watoto wanashangaa.
The final time because you can see the work you want to done because it's the final time. Let's now, guys. Because I want to know to be the top mason, guys. Let's now you see here. Mnamwaga na mngemwaga huko hapo. Oh. Yes, guys. Yeah. Right now, guys, because I are working here to making the plastering, but I'm trying, guys. I'm not. I don't know, but I'm trying to make this one because you know everyone they have tried and it can be a muscle. And right now, guys, I slowly. Any site I can go, I can not to be working, guys. One day I can not. Yeah. And right now, guys, you are see here. This place is very looking smooth. Very looking smooth like this one, guys. Yeah, it's final time. Right now, you are see. This is calling. There's a stiller here. This is stiller. Right now, you are seeing there's some switch. You want to charge a phone, you can charge him here. And this is the switch for bulb. Right now, you are seeing. Yes, guys. Guys, it's final time. You see, the place is looking amazing. But today, guys, we are not finishing this part because every mason have some parts, you know. Yes, sir, you are see. That is for one mason, and the one mason. There's a mason building this one, and right now, guys, you are see the house is very looking good, and it's very smooth. Yes, guys, you see. It's very looking good. It's very looking good. And it's very smooth. You can see there's a cable, there's a switch here, and the switch on the other side. Yes, guys. And this is the window. Right now you are see. As here, this place is very looking good. Right now, guys, you are see. Hey, guys, I liking this one. Okwemba, how are you, my friend? Hey, I'm so happy, my friend. Yeah? Because the work is done. It's final time.
Final time.
Yeah.
Final time.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so guys, we've been doing some amazing work here.
Uh-huh.
And actually, you can see how the work has been a nice work.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and also, I was not alone. I was with the Vin Marwa there.
Uh-huh.
And also with my next time with the other gentlemen, we are working together as an handyman.
The big team.
The big team, some top master.
Uh-huh.
And we call it a day actually. And this is what we have been done. So guys, if you are watching this, you can also support this channel by just subscribing. We are road to 1,000 subscribers and road to 4,000 now. Push Vin Marwa so that he can monetize this. And also give him a positive comment so that also if you can just correct him where necessary with a nice positive comment. And also on my side, I got the name of November. Come and watch me, guys. Give me a nice comment, say, share, like, and subscribe. Roll it to put our subscribers. Roll it to put other meeting hours.
Okay, my friend. Nice day. Okay. Guys, you are seeing the place is very looking good. And right now you are see here because there's mason not finishing here because every mason have some parts. You are finishing that part. The mason is coming late. And right now, guys, you are see I have some cement here. Because work is everything, guys. Work is everything. And right now, guys, they are here at Daniel's at the Baari'S site. And right now, guys, it's my first time to come to this site. and it's my first day to coming here for this site. You know, Barry is my cousin, Masekes is my cousin, Daniel is my cousin, and you know, guys, I'm taking the time. I'm not passing around the village. I'm not walking around the village because sometimes I'm very busy. And right now, guys, I want to leave from here and go to preparing the land. We want to planting some green vegetable. Yeah, guys, you are watching my video. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel, like, comment. Yeah, it's a new day, guys. It's a new day, and it's my first day to come for this project, and I getting here the work. And right now, guys, I'm very well. And I hear with Omwabu. You know, guys, Omwabu is the one who gave me the work here, and he's the one who called me to the phone. There's a work here. Omwabu, how are you, my friend? Uh-huh. Introduce yourself.